Hey, and what's up guys? Welcome to the first unboxing of this channel. This is the all-new Galaxy S10. As you can see here, it's brand new. This is the 128GB version with Prism green color. As you can see here, it's still sealed, so we're going to go right ahead and actually do it with each other. As you can see, it's the S10 Plus with Prism green color. This emblem here, whatever color you choose, it will come in its actual in the color reflected. If it's the white, it's a little bit whitish. If it's the black, it's too dark, and if it's the green, as you can see here, it's a little bit on the green side. So yeah, let's get into it straight ahead. So this is the seal. Going to go in. Okay, seal broken, and this is the first time. So let's hope. There you go. As you can see, there is something. Don't forget, there is usually the instruction manuals and stuff over here, and then you have the phone and everything. So we will leave the phone for a little bit. Let's just drag these. I think they just added these cutouts here because people had problems actually ripping it off the package. So yeah, I watched a few unboxings before. They didn't have these parts here. So fantastic. Okay, let's rip off this first part here. As you can see, open this, and what do we have here? Okay, so there is a case for the phone. I don't know if I will use it, but it's basically a clear case. It's pretty flimsy, you know, but it's free, so I guess all is good. Then you have a bunch, just, you know, manuals and stuff, as you can see here, if you want me to pull them out. The SIM ejector tool, as you can see here, a bunch of stuff over here. Yeah, I don't think anyone needs this. Let's just get this one out, and keep them out of sight right here. Let's keep this one so that you can see it. And this is the case. Oh, here's the phone now. Oh man, this is something else. Whoa, look at that color, please. Oh man, this is the Dio version, which I wish they didn't have these this emblem here, as you can see here, but it's no big deal. I mean, there is a cutout here. I don't know what it's for. Probably NFC, wireless charging. I don't know. But you know, let's rip it off. Oh, hear that sound? Oh, dude, this is something else. Look at that. Triple cameras, as you can see here. Sure, like something. Okay, and the screen. There is already a pre-applied screen protector, if you can see it. You know, as you can see, pre-applied. It's pretty fantastic. Yeah, looks something else. So let's just, you know, turn it on for the first time and leave it to boot up. And yeah, leave it to boot up. Look through the rest of the. There is something here. As you can see, this is the wall adapter. It's white. If you order the black version, you will have it as a black wall adapter. It says adaptive fast charging. I don't think you can read it, but there is that. There is this little tiny USB-C. It's a USB-A. It's in French, so we'll go for English. United States. Okay, and there is here, I believe this is like, oh yeah, this is the cable. Okay, I don't know how to open this. I don't want to. Okay, I think there is some way to open this. I don't want to just rip it off, but we might just have to. Okay, it's out. But this is really just the USB cable. As you can see, a lot of pieces falling out. Pretty weird. But yeah, basically, if you want the cable, just push it out the side. There you go. It's pretty standard cable, as you can see here. Pretty standard. Then there is the AKG headphones. You know, they look pretty good. I don't use headphones usually, so I mean, it's a braided cable. I hope you can see it in the camera. As you can see, it's braided. It's not just the plastic cable. The only parts that are plastic are the leads, you know, where it splits. That's where it is, but you know, most of the cable, main cable is braided. Well, they look pretty nice actually. Yeah. So yeah, this is all there is for the box. Now let's pick up the phone. Oh, I mean this screen just, it looks like almost like it's on top. I mean, look at that. The screen is just, you don't click on, you know, a touch screen or, you know, that touch sensitive part. It's more like you click on the pixels. That's impressive. So yeah, let's just do the, oh yes, just, you know, you can mute it from there. And yeah, basically all you have to do, if it's optional, I'm not going to agree to it. And next, we'll skip it for now, the initial setup, and skip for now. Next, and here is the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's connected now. Check in for internet quality. Internet may not be available. Hopefully it connects. Connected. Good. Next, it's probably going to look for some updates. Yes, all the way. Like the moment we have it, because there was already an update to help with the fingerprint scanner. It was not the most responsive, I guess, when people got it at first, but now it's pretty good. So let's see. Let's start checking info. Come on. Okay. Again, let me just connect my my Google account. And you know what? We'll just skip it for now. You know, I need to set it up later down the road. Allow for location. We'll have filter for this stuff later. You know, I will just do a fresh install. This is the part that I was waiting for, which is the fingerprint scanner. Now that's something. Okay, let's go for the fingerprints. Okay, a quick and easy to unlock your phone. Okay, continue. We will have a pin. Okay, let's put a pin right here. Okay, again. Okay, here it is. Set up your fingerprint, all of that. Place your finger sensor until you feel vibrate. Okay, let's see. It's already telling me to press a little bit harder. Maybe the update will make it. A lot of people said that you don't need to press hard, but if I just put my finger, as you can see, okay, now it's picking up. Press a little bit harder. Okay, let's just press a little bit harder, and a little bit. As you can see, it keeps telling me to press harder. So we'll see. Okay, now it's time to get a full scan. Let's get a full scan. Okay, 100%. Add in finishing touches. Okay. Okay, we'll skip that. We'll add it at some point. All done. Now the phone should be sitting up. Oh yes. Oh man, this screen, man, it's something. Yeah, I have to say. Okay, it's pretty good. Bring your stuff, your data, finishing apps and data restores. Okay, I mean the first thing I would love to do on this phone, first of all, is to just mute it so that it doesn't make a lot of noises. But the first thing I would like to do is to have a screen zoom, like all the way. Okay, it's very small. I thought I can make it even smaller. I think it's font size. Okay. Okay. Now it's, yeah. Now it's much better. None of that like huge fonts. Could not even see. As you can see, the phone is pretty much going on. You know, it's pretty nice. Checking for updates just to see if I have that update available. Nope. It's, yeah. I think it hasn't been pushed yet. So hopefully it will in the next few days. I mean, the phone is like smooth. You know, you click on something and it just goes in. I'm coming from S7 Edge, so I guess it's a huge difference. Okay, let's try it. Even forgot the fingerprint scanner. Okay, let's see. Pretty good. Okay. Again, go in. Pretty fast, I have to say. Okay, from the screen up. Whoa, that's really good. I mean, I hope you can see this. Yeah. I mean, I expected it to have a problem. It's okay. I mean, you know, it's obviously this is the first time I've done it, but yeah, I mean, the phone already feels like a dream. It's really nice. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the phone. This is everything there is to know about it. As you can see here, it's the duo version, obviously fingerprints. That's been a Samsung thing for the past, since the S6, so just forget about it. For the free case that they give, as you can see here, I don't know if it fits. Well, it's not that if it fits, I just don't know if it's that good. Oh, I love this. Look at that EOD. Oh yeah, looks nice. It's almost like you can't see the edges, you know, where the screen ends and where that black part, you know, the bezels. When you turn on the screen, you know, you see the bezels, but once it's off, it's one slab. It's like, it's almost like you don't know where the screen starts and where it ends. It's really something. I hope I'm not. Yes, I guess. I mean, I'm not a big fan of cases, to be honest with you. So, yeah, I'm not going to use it, at least not right now. I would like to feel the phone, but yeah, I mean, it's a case. And if you want something that's really protective, this one is not going to help. This one probably just the scratches from behind, and maybe a small drop, but yeah. I mean, the fingerprint scanner is a dream, man. It's like, it really looks good. And you know, I don't know where it is, but I don't know. Can I turn on the yeah, the AOD? Yeah, pretty good. I mean, it's not just a tap, like to just tap it. It's more like it's between a tap and a hold, you know? It's like it's between. Yeah, it's like if you just tap, I don't think it will register, but yeah, it will tell you to keep it longer. But if you just, you know, it's between. So basically, you will need some muscle memory and that stuff. But I mean, the phone is just beautiful. So again, I don't want to ramble on for too long. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications. I have a bunch of content coming up for this phone, but yeah, I mean, look at that. It's incredible. I mean, this phone is, it's a dream. Look at that. Triple cameras, everything. It's like this phone. Yeah, it really is something. I mean, I hope it's as good as it already, you know, as a first impression it gave me. So again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.